Oh boy, what's going on, guys? It's Matt here, and we are making a quick video to see what's up. Here's your quick update. We got a new house, a new barn, a whole new shindig here. I just put up a bunch of red flags out here for the dog, for the geo fence. She wish she doesn't run off because that's what she would do. But check this out, man. This is where the new flight sim's gonna be. The new building for, what do you call that thing? A plane. That's right, everything we're gonna do is gonna be right out of here. If I could lift this thing. All right. Hold on. Get some light on the subject in here. So a lot of the airplane parts I got over here and somehow didn't destroy anything. So I got a lot of storage going on over here. Still got another shelf to put back up. All the parts and pieces, so the rudder, the elevators, the horizontal stabilizer, the tail, the rocket that we're gonna launch one of these days. Where did I put that vertical stabilizers over here? It's all up here. So everything is fairly well taken care of. Fiona, I know you're not gonna go far, so just put up your training flags. This is, all right, guys. This is where it's all gonna take place, a lot of it anyway. So I got a lot of stuff over here. A lot of stuff's gonna change hands. It's gonna change locations, but we got tail cone parts and pieces hanging on the wall. I can stay out here and do some, not grilling, but some smoking while I'm working on stuff. All the stuff that I would work on over here. Got some woodworking projects. Stuff that fit into the wing spar crate. I got the wing spars over here. The tail cone, which is next up on the list to be built. Sitting on the wing spars over here, by the way. This thing is strong. I need to empty this and then get the wing spar back in its box. But gosh, guys, everything back here. It's just so cool. What have we got back here? The workbench, all the stuff, the air compressor hose goes all the way down. All the work will be done down here. All the stuff like this and these over here, all this stuff's probably eventually gonna have a permanent place over here on the other side of the building, over here. And then eventually I'm probably gonna make more benches and work the stuff out in here. Isn't that right, Fiona? Mm-hmm. So lots of stuff to do. The floor looks a lot worse in this video than it does in real life. It's really not that bad. This video is making it look horrible. But the idea that maybe we would do some of that epoxy work and finish the floor did come across my mind, because this will probably never be used as an actual garage. This is gonna be a workspace. We're gonna make desks, we're gonna make chairs, we're gonna make airplanes, we're gonna flight sim. I haven't even shown you guys the best part yet. A flight sim, the flight sim desk is still down here. That's the monitor stand there. I may or may not take that up. I might make another one of those and might build it up here. But this is where things get fun. So we have our own little loft up here. Nice place to sit. Oh my gosh, yes. That is mostly a full kitchen. That's our flight sim PC, a refrigerator. We got some space back here to set this up against the wall, have a desk, have basically some chill area wherever. This thing even has a full bath in the back. What's up with that? Whew, all right. Full bath, not that anybody really cared about that, but it's a completely self-sustaining, except for the fact that there's no coffee maker yet. Air conditioning, heat, it's got the mini split, it's got heating down here. Oh, and a crash pad. That's right, a loft in the loft, so that I could just come out here and never leave if I really don't want to. So we got a wood burner out here. Wood boiler, space for tree farming, for whatever we want to do back here. This, oh gosh, guys. All right, this is just gonna be great. That's what it's gonna be. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. This is the future of what we're going to be doing with flight simming. We're going to be making more videos on flight sims and probably building the Vans RV10, and we're gonna definitely document the progress of how this goes down. So who knows? I really don't even know what else to expect from this, but I think it's just gonna get better from here. So I'll see you guys in another video. Take care, and we will catch up with you guys. All right, see you.